I've just asked a refund for this new simulator that's called Tryp Fpv on the sim portal. At the end of the video, you'll get to know why. So it's an early access version. You have different types of quads. You have like mostly 5 inches quad, regular 5-inch, freestyle 5-inch, cinematic 5-inch. You even have some cine lifter and different types of drone. You only have, I think, 4 maps because I've tested this simulator during a little bit more than 1 hour. Like the graphic quality is very, very, very high. It's like really well made and I think much better than Liftoff. Sound design is really what's up, especially when you fly very low, like close to the ground. There's some sound design. You can hear the whoosh effect. At the beginning, it's just like any simulator. You'll be asked to plug your remote controller and you need to calibrate it, define your rates, set audio and video settings. Okay, it's an early access version and I think this simulator has a lot of potential and I truly believe that it's going to be one of the best simulators in the FPV scene. Why? Because it has something a lot of simulators don't have. It has scenarios when you can follow your target. By target, I mean you can follow bikers, racing cars, wingsuits, people who fly from a cliff, like you jump over from a cliff and wear those wingsuits and they would give you the impression that they are flying, those kind of people. So you might ask, why did I ask for refunds? Because even though calibration seems to be okay when you use the DJI FPV remote controller, it is not, especially with the yaw and roll axis. Like everything was okay until I pushed them to the fullest to the left side. Then what happened? Pushed them to the fullest. Then for some reason, my drone would yaw to the right side or would roll to the right side. So I could not pilot any FPV quad normally. I've tried to fix it. I have uninstalled this Tryp FPV simulator several times, did the calibrations several times. Then I came to a result. I cannot pilot any FPV quad in there. It's too bad because I believe that this simulator has a lot of potential. Honestly, the first official one where you can follow your targets, and because let me tell you something, flying the quad is something. Following a target is like another discipline. So I've just asked for a refund and there are 2 conditions on the Steam portal so that you can be reimbursed. You must not have used your download more than 2 hours. And if you want to be paid back, do it before 14 days. Don't play with it more than 2 hours and do it before 14 days. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to wait until this simulator gets better, gets a lot of updates, and I'll probably buy it again.